Right at the end of tick season, still gotta throw those alright. Compton Trailhead, let's see. I believe we're doing the Hemden Falls today. They got a map at least. Alright, Trailhead. And then it does circle back. Okay, so I'm going all the way up left. Alright, let's do it. Okay, yeah, here we go. Big change in elevation. I can probably do it. If not, I can always get air. I was gonna say medevaced out, but alright. bench. I don't see a bench, but okay. Hampton Hollow bench trail. I really don't remember seeing a bench trail option. Nope. Huh. Who knows? Maybe bench trail is a hiking term I'm unfamiliar with. Finally get a good look at those cliffs. There's so many little trees in the way the rest of the time. It's a big clearing. Unless you're bringing an axe in and chopping it here, I mean, I guess there is a lot of deadfall in this forest. Huh. Let's see if this is on the map. No. Oh. Yeah, is it that? Yeah, what do you think? Triangle? It's not that extreme. This is probably just down here to look at this thing. Yeah. The only thing that should be in your backpack is a chair, some Cheez-Its. I was really doubting the sign at the very beginning of this that said that we're going an Empire State Building worth of elevation in like 2.5 miles. I don't doubt that anymore. We started at the top of a mountain, and I'm halfway down, and I've been walking for like 40 minutes. So, kind of crazy. Got a pretty good spot to hang out though for a little while, get a snack, something to drink, and then we'll keep going. Oh, no camping. I met some people. I was having my snack up there, and they went this way. They said they were going to the falls, and I'm still somehow getting spider webs in my face. And the guy was like my height, so I'm not exactly sure. Must be the hardest working spiders of all time. Or they've taken personal offense to me somehow, and they've conveyed it down the line. Just wait. Throw them webs up right as he's coming by. He likes it. I could have sworn I heard some water through here. Maybe not. Oh, no. Here's my water bottle. Howdy.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good. How you guys doing?
Doing all right.
I'm not excited for the way back up.
We didn't come down that. We heard it's pretty intense, though.
Yeah, it's like 40 some minutes of just, yeah. Yeah, no problem. Howdy again.
Hello.
Is this it? Is this the end?
Do what?
Is this the end?
I don't know. I've never been up here, so
Oh,
we might keep going for a little bit.
let's hope so. Oh yeah, no, we're good. Let's see this right at the beginning. I was gonna say those weren't super impressive falls right there, but no, doesn't look like. Jeez. Oh yeah, no, we're good. Finally made it down to the falls. Took me about an hour to make it down here. Don't know exactly how many miles it was. Sign said 2.6, but you never know what it ends up being. Getting a little bit of rain on me. It's pretty cool. It comes from way up there. I don't know if it's just not the right season for this. I know in the Midwest we've been in a bit of a drought this summer, so maybe the water's just a little low, but it's not exactly a large amount of water coming out of it. I'd say it's still worth it though. Hike down's not bad. Up's going to be, we'll see how it goes, but it's at least a pretty hike on the way down, and it's gorgeous down here at the actual waterfall itself. These falls are kind of insane. It's almost like the Grand Canyon effect, where you just can't tell how insanely massive something is if you're not there. But these things are humongous. They go, geez, I don't know. They say it's the height of the Empire State Building, and I'm kind of inclined to believe it. When you're actually under the falls, the rock is slightly more than overhead in some of the places, which is pretty sweet. You look up and there's a ceiling above you, 500 feet up in the air. It's pretty cool. Howdy guys. Pretty good.
How's that waterfall feel?
It's actually pretty sweet. Not a ton of water right now, but it's definitely worth, well, I haven't went back up yet, but it was definitely worth the descent at least.
Okay.
Howdy.
Yep.
Go around?
Yeah, you just
Yeah. Oh, sorry guys.
No, you're fine. They will go.
You guys not see the falls back there?
Yeah, we saw it.
Oh, you didn't? Must have went the other way then. I didn't see down there. Excuse me.
Such as falling.
Yeah, true. Not a lot down there going on. Oh, excuse me, guys.
You gonna go to the river?
Oh, I did. No, I did not. I just went to the falls. Oh, was it cool down there?
No.
Oh, I didn't either. I just passed some ladies that went all the way down there, though.
We were thinking about it, and we realized it's straight up.
Oh, is it from here? It was straight up that way?
No, that's going down.
Oh.
From here to our car straight up.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I had a guy down there told me that he's going to be happy if he makes it in 3 hours up. And I was like, man, I hope not that long. Final thoughts on Hemmed In Hollow Falls. I know we missed the last little bit there. Camera died, but I can assure you all you missed was me huffing and puffing for another 10-15 minutes and the same stuff you've seen just from the other direction. But all in all, I really enjoyed it. I thought it was cool. Falls were way more interesting than I thought they were going to be. Little lack of water this time of year, and might be the drought that we're having. It might just be that's always how it is. Not exactly sure. It's my first time. But even then, I think it was worth going down there. Just, I don't know how to put it into words, and I feel like cameras don't really capture it. If you've been to the Grand Canyon or anywhere like that, where the sheer size isn't something that I feel like cameras capture well, or at least I'm not a good enough cinematographer to make it happen. So I tried, did my best, but it's definitely worth coming and seeing yourself if you're ever out in northern Arkansas up here. Definitely need some water. It's going to be a long hike back up. I pulled in today at about 10 o'clock, I think, and parking lot was empty. I think there were one or two other cars. I came back, finished this hike, and there are, 15 cars in the parking lot. So as you guys could see, I met quite a few people on the way down. But this is, I wouldn't say it's slammed, it didn't impede my hike or anything, with the amount of people that were here. But if you're coming in summer months, maybe, this could be busier. I didn't think it was going to be this busy. I mean, this is out in the middle of nowhere, but here we are. So, all in all, really enjoyed it. Hike down was nice, a little too steep sometimes. Knee was acting up a little bit, so if you're struggling on hikes anyways, this may not be the one for you. Not the hardest thing in the world, obviously. I'm not, some triathlete or anything, but ease of use would be not. Truly final thoughts. Rough rehike on the way back up, but I'd say it's worth it.